That's not a knife. That's a knife. Welcome back, everybody. Faithful EDC here with you today. Today we got another set of knives. We have the Tempest Tornado and the Bestech Wet Nellie. Let's start off here up top with the Tempest Knives Tornado. We have the Purple Flow Camo Carbon. Inside the box, you got your Tempest Knives microfiber. You got your Tornado sticker and your thank you card from Tempest and KC Spirin. I had some interest in picking one of these up, but knew it was coming through the lefty pass around and wanted to make sure size would agree with me before I picked one of these up. And unfortunately, it's just a little bit too small for my liking. If you do choke up, you do get full 4-finger, but if you're back here on the handle utilizing the jimping, it's a 3-finger knife, so it's just going to be a little bit too small for my liking. I do still have the Tempest downdraft and love their flipper tab designs, how the flipper tab doesn't stick out when you open it. Same thing on this Tornado. I absolutely love that design of the flipper tab. Unfortunately, this one's just a little bit too small, like I mentioned. So there you go. There's your size comparison between the downdraft, which I absolutely love, and the Tornado. Yes, I know it's supposed to be a smaller knife. It's just going to be one that's too small for my liking. Purple Flow Carbon is absolutely beautiful. You have your milled titanium pocket clip. You have your titanium backspacer here. You do have your lanyard pin. Looks like T8 hardware all the way around. It is right or left hand tip up carry. We have 154 cm blade steel, which is the same, I believe, as the downdraft. Let me double check for you. Yes, 154 cm on the downdraft as well. Got a nice stonewash finish on this. Really nice knife. $149. They are still available on the Tempest website, so I will link the Tornado down in the description below. $149. That's really not that bad of a price for something like this, guys. You got your Purple Flow Camo Carbon and your 154 cm blade steel, which is an exceptional blade steel. I mean, this has been through the entire pass around group and it is still just as sharp as all get out. Tempest Tornado, great knife. Next up, we have the Bestech Wet Nellie. This one here is something I had never heard of or seen before. We got Wet Nellie on the side here, Bestech knives, and then inside the box here, you do get your Bestech pouch. You got information, microfiber cloth, and the knife comes in a bag here. But let's get down to the knife here. We have titanium scales. We have Magna Cut blade steel. It is a right hand tip up carry only. You got that machined backspacer. You got the machined titanium pocket clip frame lock on this guy. You have flipper tab for deployment. Got a little gunk on that flipper tab there. A little bit of gunk on the flipper tab here. But it is a button activated frame lock. So you can utilize the frame still, or you can use the button flipper tab only on this guy, or if you want to use that button to flip that thing out, works kind of quite well. They do claim this to be a Wharncliffe. I believe it's more of a sheep's foot. It's got a little bit of a belly, but it also is more of like a dagger shape than anything. We do have T8 hardware. T8 hardware all the way around. The pocket clip is going to be blind screwed from the inside. Magna Cut steel, like I mentioned, looks to be having a coating, maybe a PVD coating on the blade there. A little something in that pivot there from all the passing around here we have. Pretty nice knife. Full 4-finger grip. You do have a choke up location. You have a little bit of jimping up top, not a lot. Could definitely use more, but I really like this button activated frame lock. Usually when you have your button activated locking mechanism, it is a liner lock. So I really like how they've incorporated the button to a frame lock on this one. price point on this is $255. If you guys are interested, I'll leave a link down in the description below. Ergonomics is great in the hand. It's kind of a slim line, but you have your thumb ramp here that put your hand in almost the ideal, comfortable position to work here. And you do have that forward finger choke up location. But if you're not there, it's still super comfortable in the hand. So dual color titanium handle here. Let's get you guys some size comparisons on these guys. We have the Tempest Tornado, the Bestech Wet Nellie. We got our number 2 pencil and our Sharpie here. And of course our Spyderco Paramilitary 2 for size comparison. Wet Nellie, you're right around a half inch, or right around an inch shy. You're about what, about an inch and a half shy for the Tornado on the Sharpie here, and you're what, about an inch shy of the Paramilitary 2 on the Tornado there, and then about a 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch shy on the Bestech Wet Nellie. Let's get these guys opened up here. Tempest Tornado, we'll move this down here a little bit closer to the number 2 pencil. Maybe that'll help out a little bit in my measuring. And then our Paramilitary 2. Alright, you got about an inch shy of the number 2 pencil on the Tempest Tornado. You're right around a 1/2 inch longer than the number 2 pencil on the Wet Nellie. You are 1 3/4 of an inch shy on the Tornado, and about an 1/8 inch shy on the Wet Nellie. Weight wise on these guys here, or no, actual dimensions here with the trusty Milwaukee tape measure. Closed length, you're at 3 3/4 of an inch shut. You are at 2 9/16 cutting edge, 2 3/4 inch overall, and let's see, 6 1/2 inches overall. The Wet Nellie here, you are at 4 9/16 closed. Cutting edge is 3 1/8. 3 9/16 blade length, and 8 1/16 overall tip to toe. Weight wise on these guys here are on the Tornado in grams. You're looking at 71.6 gram, 2.52 ounces, super lightweight. The Wet Nellie here in grams, 102.8 gram, 3.62 ounces. Overall, both of them are great knives. Size-wise, the Wet Nellie is going to win out on this one, but let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Love hearing from you. We got the Wet Nellie up here and the Tornado down below. Love hearing from y'all and all your comments, but that's what I got for y'all today. Appreciate all your support, and as always, take care and God bless.